Hey guys, today we have another move to show you guys, and we call it, a lot of names it goes by. We call it the triple spin, or the lean on, or it's a bunch of names I've heard of it, so but you guys might recognize it. If not, here we go. We'll do it fast first, and then we'll show you guys. Alright, so first you'll grab your partner's hands, and you're going to put her into the cuddle. So you're facing like this, and you're going to spin her out. There's three parts. So the first spin, she's going to spin her back, like this. So she's facing side by side, and then she's going to lean on you. And then you're just going to come back up and spin her out again. And for the second spin, you're going to spin her in, but this time she's going to jump on you. So she's sitting on your hip, and then you pop it back up. The last one, we'll show you, there's a couple of variations, but the last one we'll show you the dip. You're going to spin it again one more time, the last time, and come around, and she's going to stick her right arm over your neck. And you have a guy, you can support her through your left arm, and you can also support her through your right arm down here, and you can go down, back up again, and spin her out.